Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. I am Tsholo Phoka for those that are new to this channel. On this video, I'm going to be doing a few hairstyles that you can do on your natural hair after doing a flexi rod set. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. And without talking too much, let's get straight into this video. The accessories that I'm going to be using for these hairstyles is hair clips and also a headband. I've already done the flexi rod set on my natural hair, but you can watch a video that I'm going to attach on top of how I achieved this look. The first hairstyle I'm going to do is having a front middle part. When I did this flexi rod set on my natural hair, I opened the line before putting the flexi rods on my hair. So I'm gonna have a few lines on my hair that I can open easily. I'm going to use hair clips to open a more visible line and also just to remove a few hairs in the front of my hair because we do not want a fringe, we want a middle part. And then I'm going to move around the hair. It's as simple as that, and we have our first hairstyle. I shot this video in the daytime and it was a cloudy day, so the lighting is going to change from time to time. I hope you guys bear with me. The second hairstyle I'm going to be doing is a side part. This one is not going to be as neat as the middle part because when I was doing my flexi rod set, I didn't bear in mind the side part. I'm using clips on the fuller side of the hair part just to make a visible side part and also so that the hair doesn't come back to the other side. I'm then going to move around the hair to make it flattering around my face, and then we are done with this hairstyle. The third hairstyle is the side part with a headband. I'm just going to pull back the hair on the smaller part side. Thereafter, put on the headband carefully not to mess up the flexi rod set. You can also use a smaller headscarf to actually do your headband. That's a cute hairstyle also. And lastly, as I always do, I'm going to move the hair around just to make sure it's perfect. And this third hairstyle will look like this. For the fourth hairstyle, I'm going to take some hair on the front of one side and push it to the other side, creating a side mohawk. I'm going to use some clips just to make sure that the hair stays in place on the side. Use as much clips as you can to make sure that the hair stays on the side because it's going to be covered by the hair. And then move the hair around to make sure that it frames your face nicely. And this is the fourth hairstyle. For the fifth hairstyle, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it for the other side so that we create a full mohawk. So both the sides should be clipped to the middle, making a mohawk. Use as much head clips as you need to make the hairstyle secure. And you are done with the 5th hairstyle. Now on to the 6th hairstyle. We're going to be moving the hair to the front just to create a pineapple, but this pineapple will not be done with the hair ribbon, it will be done with hair clips. This hairstyle requires a lot of hair clips, so we're going to be using a lot to make sure that the hair is secured and it stays in the front. All the hair clips will be covered by the hair, so do not be afraid to use as much hair clips as you need. Also move some hair in front so that it falls to your face to create a fringe-like hair pineapple. And that will be our 6th hairstyle. The last hairstyle, which is our 7th, we're just going to use a headband in the middle of the pineapple, and it's going to create a folks fringe cut. So it's going to look like you cut your hair at the back, but you have a fringe in the front, and it's going to look like a stylish hairstyle. Don't forget to move your hair around to ensure that the clips are covered and also that it's framing your hair beautifully. And those are all the beautiful, cute, and also stylish hairstyles that you can do after doing a flexi rod set on your natural hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and will be joining me on the next one. Leave a comment below on which hairstyle you liked, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.